Hello, hi, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths with Balakrishna. Okay, today I am going to explaining class 10th progressions exercise 6.1 question number 3. In previous video I am explaining up to 7 problems in question number 3. So now today I am going to explaining question number 8. Okay, so which of the following are APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference D and write 3 more terms. So here the given the terms are minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and so on. So here find the common difference, that is equal T1 is equal A2 minus A1. So that is here minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Minus minus plus. So plus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is how much? 0. Next common difference A3 minus A2. So that is here minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2 minus minus plus minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So the common difference is 0. So here the common difference is 0. So D1 is equal, D2 is equal, D3 is equal and so on. So therefore minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So is form an AP. Is form an AP. What they asking that find the common difference. Here what is the common difference? 0. So the common difference is 0. So what they asking that write 3 more terms. So here how many terms are there? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 3 more terms means 5th term, 6th term, 7th term. So that is here a fifth. So a fifth term is a4, 4th term plus common difference minus 1 by 2 plus 0. That is here minus 1 by 2. Next a6, that is a5 plus d, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is equal minus 1 by 2. a7 is equal a6 plus d. So that is here minus 1 by 2 plus 0, that is equal minus 1 by 2. So the common difference is adding to its preceding term, we can get the next term. So next 1, 3, 9, 27 and so on. So here the common difference, they are asking that form an AP or not. So here common difference A2 minus A1. So 3 minus 1, that is equal 2. D1 is equal 2. Next D2. So A3 minus A2. So 9 minus 3, that is equal to how much? 6. D2 is equal 6. Next D3. So A4 minus A3, that is 27 minus 9, that is equal to how much? 18. D3 is equal 8. So here the common difference is different. D1 is equal, D2 is equal, D3 is not equal. Here the difference is 2, here the difference is 6, here the difference is 18. So it is not an AP. So here 1, 3, 9, 27 is not form an AP. Is not form an AP. Next A, 2A, 3A, 4A and so on. So find the common difference. D1 is equal A2 minus A1, 2A minus A. Second term is 2A, first term is A, 2A minus A, that is equal to how much? A. Next D2, A3 minus A2. So third term minus second term, that is 3A minus 2A is equal to how much? A. So next D3 is equal A4 minus A3, that is equal to 4A minus 3A is equal A. The common difference is same. So D1 is equal, D2 is equal, D3. So here therefore A comma 2A comma 3A comma 4A form an AP. So then what they are asking that next find 3 terms. So that is here A5. So A5 is equal A, the common difference is adding to its preceding term. So that is here A4 plus D. So A4, fourth term is how much? 4A plus A. How much? 5A. Next sixth term, fifth term plus common difference, that is equal to 5A plus A is equal to how much? 6A. So seventh term, sixth term plus common difference is equal to 6A plus A is equal to how much? 7A. So next A square, A cube, A power 4 and so on. So here common difference, second term minus first term. So A2 minus A1. So A square minus A. So A square means A into A. A means A into 1. In this two term what are the common? A. So A of A minus 1. So next another common difference, a3 minus a2, that is a cube minus a square. So here a cube means a is multiplied how many times? 3 times. A square means a is multiplied how many times? 2 times. So in this two term, what are the common? 2 times of a. So that is here a square of a minus 1. So next common difference, another common, a4 minus a3. So that is here a4 minus a3. So in this two terms, what are the common? 3 a's, that is a cube of a minus 1. So the common difference is not equal. d1 is not equal, d2 is not equal, d3. So therefore a comma a square, a cube, a power 4 and so on is not form an AP. An AP. So next, root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32 and so on. So root 2, root 8 we can write as 4 2 ja, root 18 we can write as 9 2 ja, root 32 we can write as 16 2 ja. So square root of a into b, square root a into square root b. So root 2 into root 4 into root 2. Next here square root 9 into square root 2. Next square root 16 into square root 2. So root 2, square root 4 2 into root 2, square root 9 3 into root 2, square root 16 4 into root 2. So and so on. Okay, here the common difference, d1 is equal a2 minus a1. So that is here 2 root 2 minus root 2. So 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is how much? Root 2. So next another common difference, we can check another common difference. So a3 minus a2, the common difference is same, that is here 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, that is equal to how much? Root 2. Here the common difference root 2, here root 2. So next another common difference, d3 is equal a4 minus a3. So that is here 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, how much? Root 2. The common difference is same. So d1 is equal, d2 is equal, d3. So therefore here it is form an AP. It is form an AP. So what asking that? Write 3 more terms. So that is here a5 is equal a4 plus d. The common difference is adding to fourth term. So here what is the fourth term here? Root 32. So here root 32 is nothing but what? 4 root 2. So 4 root 2 plus root 2, that is equal to how much? 5 root 2. Next a6, that is a5 plus d is equal to 5 root 2 plus root 2, that is 6 root 2. Next 7th term. So that is the common difference is adding to 6th term, we can get the 7th term. So the 6th term is 6 root 2 plus root 2. So that is equal to how much? 7 root 2. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. So here root 3, root 6 we can write as 2 into root 3, root 9 we can write as 3 into 3, root 14 or root 12 we can write as 4 3 ja. So root 3 into root 2 into root 3, next root 3 into root 3, next root 4 into root 3. Okay, so here the common difference, here what? Here 1 root 3 means that is nothing but 1 root 3. So here d1 is equal a2 minus a1, that is 2 root 3 minus root 3. So in this 2 what are the common? Root 3. So root 3 is taking outside, what are the remaining? Root 2 minus 1. The common difference how much? Root 2 minus 1. Next d2, that is a3 minus a2, that is root 3 into root 3 minus root 2 into root 3. So in this 2 what are the common? Root 3. Root 3 of root 3 minus root 2. So the common difference is different. So d1 is not equal d2. So not equal d3 and so on. So therefore root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12 is not form an AP. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. So here common difference, d1 a2 minus a1. So 3 square minus 1 square. So 3 square 9 minus 1 square 1, that is 9 minus 1 8. Next check another common difference. So A3 minus A2, so that is here 5 square minus 3 square, 25 minus 9. So 25 minus 9, how much? 16. So here the common difference is same? No. So D1 is not equal D2. The common difference is not same. So therefore 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square is not form an AP. So here common difference A2 minus A1. So that is here 5 square minus 1 square. 5 square 25 minus 1, that is how much? 24. So check another common difference D2. So that is here A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. So that is here 7 square minus 5 square. 7 square 49 minus 5 square, that is 25. So how much you can get? 24. So next common difference. So A4 minus A3. So that is here 73 minus 7 square 49. 7 square. So 73 minus 7 square 49, that is how much? 24. So the common difference is same. D1 is equal, D2 is equal, D3 and so on. So therefore 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73 is form an AP. Is form an AP. So they are asking that next three terms. So that is here a fifth term, that is equal A4 plus D. So A4 is 73 plus D is 24, that is equal 97. A6 is A5 plus D, that is 97 plus 24. So that is how much? 121. A7 is A6 plus D, that is equal 121 plus 24, that is equal 145. The next three terms are 97, 121, 145. Watching my video. Thank you.